Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix could not refresh feed. So if you're getting this error on your Instagram, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So to fix this error, first of all, you have to check for the new update for your Instagram app. For that, you can go to your app store and here you have to search for Instagram. And if you see any update option, simply click on update and app will start reinstalling again. Once your app is updated, you can open the Instagram app to see if the problem is solved. So if the problem is still there, then move on to the next step. The next step is simply go to your iPhone settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and then scroll down and look for the Instagram app in the list. And here you will see the offload option. Simply click on upload and reinstall the app. So as my app is reinstalling again, option isn't showing, but you will get that option. Once you have done this, then move on to the next step. The next step is force restart your device. For that, you have to press the volume up and power button at the same time. And you will see this slide to power off. Simply slide to power off and restart your iPhone. Once you have done this, the app should start working. And if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is simply reset network setting. For that, you can go to settings, scroll down, click on transfer reset, click on reset, reset network setting, enter the passcode of your iPhone, and you are done. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.